In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a KFC style southern fried chicken. And the ingredients you need are 1 cup of homemade buttermilk, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and salt for your own taste. And finally, 1 small sized chicken. Transfer your chicken to another bowl and put your salt and your pepper. This is your seasoning. And then just add your buttermilk and then just stir it around until fully combined.
You can keep it in a fridge for a few hours.
You can keep it in the fridge for a few hours. In a separate bowl, add 1 cup of plain flour. Then add about 1 teaspoon of salt. Put 1 teaspoon of black pepper in. And then 1 teaspoon of paprika. And then half a teaspoon of chili powder, but this is optional. And then 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And then 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Then mix it all together. Pan with some oil. Get 1 piece of chicken
at
a time into your dry mix. And then coat them with the flour. And then just put it inside the pan with the oil. Our southern fried chicken is nearly ready. We are taking it out one by one. Hey guys, the KFC style southern fried chicken. And you can serve it with chips and vegetables and obviously ketchup. Now please try this at home and tell me how good it is. So please subscribe, like, comment and share to see more videos in the future. And please comment down below what videos we should do next. Have a great day. Bye.